Hello, this is Saravana from aforanalytics University, and in this video we're going to look at what is Microsoft Power BI Gateway and why we need Power BI Gateway, and what are the types of Power BI Gateway, what are the differences of Power BI Gateway. Stay tuned. Microsoft Power BI has a different products, something like Microsoft Power BI Desktop, Power BI Servers, Pro License, Premium, Report Server, Power BI Mobile, and we have another product called Microsoft Power BI Gateway. And before that, if you don't know about what is Power BI, why we need Power BI, I have recently uploaded another video where you can see and look at the in-depth description and explanation of what does Power BI mean and why we need that, what are the purpose of Power BI. Please watch it and come back to this video. Meanwhile, so there is another product called Power BI Gateway. Alright, so why we need Power BI Gateway, what is it? First is, so Power BI Gateway acts as a bridge between the on-premise data source available in your organization, in your server, and the dashboard is in the cloud. So you have all your data in Microsoft SQL Server in your company, in your local server, and you connect your database using the credentials in Power BI and build the dashboard and publish it to Power BI servers. So when you go into the Power BI servers, when you try to hit the refresh, it asks you for Power BI Gateway. Why is that? So Power BI Gateway connects your on-premise server or database with the Microsoft Power BI servers. Actually, there will be no connection between that unless we did had Microsoft Power BI Gateway. So there are two types of gateway available: a personal mode and a standard mode. So I don't want to complicate that. I'm gonna provide a single line description for that. Personal mode is something for a single users. So there will be no administrators, and you cannot allow other users in your organization to use this gateway, the personal mode. Where the standard mode is something your organization members can able to access the Power BI gateway. They can add their data sources, and they can add the administrator for the gateway. He can control the database, the credentials, the reports, everything in a centralized manner. So these are the differences between personal and the standard. So when to choose personal mode or when to choose standard mode? If you are a single user, you are the single resource, and you are the only one using your Power BI gateway or Power BI in your organization, so there are no one are using it, you have only single data source, then you must go for a personal mode. Or else, if it is opposite of that, you need to go for a standard mode. And if you don't know about Power BI and how it works, what are the Power BI tools, what are the things available in Power BI, how to use that, building dashboards, designing the dashboards, publishing the dashboards. If you're not aware of it, we can go to a website and you can see a training link. Once you hit that, that will redirect to a new site called aforanalytics University, where you can see a Power BI training, live training for beginners who can take the courses from the beginner to expert level in a single classes. And in this course we will cover what is Power BI, why we need to use Power BI, what are the different tools available in Power BI, how to use those different tools in a Power BI in a real time, Power BI DAX, Power BI servers, report servers, Q&A, custom visuals, integration with Azure Microsoft Machine Learning, Power BI integration with R programming. So all the modules will be covered in a single course, in a single live course. A live instructor will be teaching you those things. And when you get into the curriculum, you can see what are the things we'll be covering in this course. and so you can have a look at those. If you have any questions, please post it in the description, or you can use a chat window over here, so we can provide you information and initiate the chat, and one of our representative in the office will provide you provide the answers for your questions. And I have a special offer for you now. If you are ready to sign up for the Power BI course in September month before 20th or October 20th, I gonna provide a 50% offer or uh, increase your scale in your organization to the next level. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you. Bye.